me, Rhonda. Rhonda said, saying hello to you. Welcome. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I am about to do an eye look with a palette that I love, that I haven't used in a while. It's cremated. I love it. I have used it quite a bit. I'm about to use it now. I have my base of base and blush and contour and all that good stuff on. So I'm going to start by going in with Life Insurance in my crease. It's beautiful matte. This is absolutely one of my very favorite Jeffree Star palettes, for sure. I don't use it enough, but it's beautiful. And I don't love the cut. I don't like that picture, but I like the palette. He's had better looking palettes with better, you know, interesting, you know, designs. Like Pricked is a gorgeous design. This is like kind of phoning it in a little, but that's okay. I'm going to go into Death Certificate, which is a shimmer. And put it right there. So pigmented. It's a nice smoky look for a day out shopping with a friend. I had to order a death certificate not too long ago for my father. He died back in 2017. I need to blend this the hell out. It's so dark. Whoa, this is heavy. It's heavy for the daytime. You're too pretty in the daylight. Keeps me coming back for more. Hope you like In Excess, because I do. Let's see. I'm definitely gonna go into Diamonds Ashes right here with my finger. Please don't be hard panning, because it's such a great shimmer. I'm just building it up. This is probably my most used shade. Every time I use this palette, I use this shade. It's so beautiful. And now I'm going to put a little darkness in the outside corner with Angel of Death. It's a shimmer. Oh, looks so good. Now I'm going to do mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have a beautiful smoky look for the daytime. I took it easy on my blush, and I'm going to do a beautiful dark lip. Or should I do red? I don't know. Something beautiful, something unexpected. Number 50, Voyager from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And there we have it, a beautiful dark look for a wonderful sunny day. But I'm going Halloween shopping, so it's all groovy. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.